welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Not sure what day this is, but we're going to keep this ball rolling. As you can tell from the title, I have an unboxing for you, and I'm going to talk about a couple other purchases as well. But go ahead and get started so that this video isn't too long. I'm just going to pick things up. So the first thing is in this package right here. And some of these things I have already opened just to make sure, you know. So it came in this. This is a t-shirt from Hall Pass. And it says, and that's on Blair, McCain, McNeil, and Richmond. If you are familiar with HBCUs, you're probably familiar with North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University, also known as A&T. And these four amazing men were the sit-in. They were the sit-in. And I have this shirt for February 1. I'm hoping to get me a good picture. Today would have been a great day to get a picture. But I had errands to run and I didn't know it was going to be nice outside. But this will be for February 1. And after February 1, I'm going to wear it all the time. Shout out to all the HBCUs out there. Next. Oh, I forgot what was in this box. Next, this was a birthday gift to myself. There's some Saint Laurent shoes. And I waited oh so patiently for these. So we have our dust bag right here. This dust bag is just great quality packaging. And when my other gift I got for myself comes in, I may do, what do y'all call it on here? Y'all like to see these luxury unboxings, so I may go into detail. But here they are. And I can't wait to the springtime to wear these. I think I'm going to do a luxury unboxing since people like those and go into more detail. I do recommend going a half a size or a whole size up. But here they are. And I'm excited to wear those. Next. Hold on, y'all. All right. Next, oh my gosh, guess what finally came a whole month later? The original clear shoes. I don't think I even showed y'all the ones I ended up getting. You may have seen pictures if you watched my birthday vlog. So the ASOS ones finally came in a month later. And you know, God is just so good because all things just work out. So here are the ones from ASOS. I had ordered a 7 based on the reviews. And this is a 5. So yeah, it's a good thing they got lost in the mail. And I told my friend about them. I don't know, y'all. These shoes, I don't know. I didn't see some of this damage. I'm gonna call it damage until now. I'm not gonna give these to her. I might just donate these. I don't even know if I would want to donate them. Don't order clear heels from ASOS or Fashion Nova. Just don't. Seriously, just don't. But they end up sending a 5. I ordered a 7. I normally wear 7.5. I ordered a 5 based on the reviews, so that you can see the ones that I purchased. They are Jessica Simpson, and they are everything. They are 7.5, and I absolutely love them. I will try to remember to answer a picture of me wearing them. I wore them for my birthday. They are classic. They will look good with any and every. The only thing that I don't like, and I'll be honest, is I wish the back was clear too. But other than that, I am in love. This is a 4-inch heel. And as you can see, there's a couple pair of shoes. So I got my money back from ASOS, got my money back from Fashion Nova. Nova. Y'all did not tell me that Fashion Nova technically doesn't give you your money back. You have to get basically a gift card and still end up buying something from them anyways. So I did purchase something, but it hasn't gotten here yet. And let's just hope everything goes well with that. So, what's this? Oh, in this box, I needed a new Tiffany's box to go with a Tiffany's necklace that I bought myself last year for my birthday. And honestly, I found this one off of Poshmark for like $5. Just your standard Tiffany's box. Still had a little piece in there. So yeah, don't be afraid to go on Poshmark. Just looks as so. Came wrapped up and packaged. I'm so happy to be doing this video so I can throw all this stuff away finally. Next I have, okay, so I have a little story, and go check it out on Poshmark. So I wanted some snakeskin heels, and I saw some on Poshmark. Honestly didn't want to pay for them because they are snakeskin, and you know, things come in and out of season all the time. And so I saw some at Target, bought the ones from Target. They were like $30, and these are the ones from Target. They've only been worn once. They're size 7. I normally wear 7.5, but in my Target heels, I have to size down. So if you have a narrow or small foot and you wear 7.5, you could probably wear this 7. If you want to check them out on my Poshmark. And this is a 3-inch heel. Now, to be completely honest, I hate the heel. I like a higher heel. So these are the ones I had been eyeing on Poshmark for a while. However, I honestly did not want to pay for them because they go in and out of season so much. And these are Steve Madden, and this is a 4-inch heel. And so if you want a shorter heel, or if you need a shorter heel because maybe you're just not that great at walking in heels, I literally wore these one time to sit in church and probably got some food. But these are my new babies. These are the Steve Maddens. And I think she was selling them for like $60 or $55, and she lowered the price to like, I don't know, like $20. And I jumped on them, and I put my other ones on Poshmark. So here are the ones that I prefer, basically because the heel is higher. The clear part, I don't really care or not if it's clear. I just wanted a higher heel. So if you want a snakeskin shoe and you don't want to pay a lot of money, I don't know how much I have mine up there for. They might be $10. If they're not, I'll negotiate with you. That's not a problem at all. So I also had, okay, so Black Friday, I really didn't do that much shopping. However, my mom had a little girl off the Angel Tree, and my mom went to Kohl's to get the little girl's items. And while I was there, I was like, well, let me look around and see what they got. So I found this really cute dress for the spring and summertime. And of course, because it's for spring and summer, it has little detailed specs right there. It was originally $36. I got it for $7. Then I wanted an oversized like sweater to wear with leggings, so I thought this was such a pretty color, and I told my mom I wanted an oversized wear with leggings, but I guess she didn't realize how oversized I was getting it, because I got it in an extra large so that I could wear it with leggings. And this had been $36, and I think I got it for $5. So really pretty color, really soft and comfortable. Then I got this Nike sweatshirt, and this one wasn't like a big sale or anything. This is from the men's section, a size small. It had been $45, and I think I paid like $30 or something. So yeah. Also, and we're almost done, I picked up these Nikes from Nike.com during Black Friday, and they really just are plain black Nikes. They'd be cute with a sweatshirt. These right here. Now, if you have a small foot like me, I recommend shopping in the kids section. These are from out of the kids section. I got them, like I said, I normally wear 7.5 women's. I got these in a 6 in kids for like $40 something. I forget. They're the Nike, oh my gosh, I'm gonna slaughter this. Tanjun, T-A-N-J-U-N. I mean T-A-N-J-U-N. So I picked these up just to have like some leisure shoes, because most of the sneakers I do have are for like walking and running. I do have a couple pair that are leisure. Also for my birthday, I got a couple gift cards. So I went to Ulta and they were having a really good sale. I got both of these face masks for like $1 and some change. This is the Yes Eye mask, and this is the Ulta Beauty Soothing Face Mask. Looks as so. This is the 2-step one. At one point, Dollar Tree was selling these, but I can't find these at Dollar Tree anymore. Then I got me a new eyebrow pencil. Well, it's the same brand I've been using, but I was out of it because I've been practicing and trying to figure out what would work best with my eyebrows, because if you've been watching, you know I've been trying to grow my eyebrows out. So I got a new Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil, and I get the color Ebony, and I will show you what it looks like. I really like the shape of this eyebrow pencil. So it makes like an angle as so. Hope you can see that. And the other end just has the brush or the spoolie. And that runs about 20 something. And now that I know what to do as I'm trying to grow up my eyebrows, which I need to do a whole video on because I do not know how long it's gonna last. The eyebrow pencil will last a whole lot longer. I also picked up some NYX brow setter. I absolutely love this brow setter, and it works really, really well. I do have the oily T-zone, and so in the past, because of my forehead would get oily, the oil will like travel down to my eyebrows, and it still does a little bit affect them, but not like it used to since I've been using this. But like, yeah, the eyebrows would be ruined prior. So then I wanted to try this by Paul Mitchell. This is for when you, like, the glare is affecting me too, honey, okay? This is for when you straighten your hair. It's the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. And they had a big one that was like a 15 ounce for $22. Was it? No, I'm lying. It was an 8 ounce for $22. But because it was my first time trying this, I got the 0.85 full ounce for $7.50. So if you shop at Ulta, pay attention to your mail, because I had a 5 off of 15, and then I had my gift cards, so I barely paid anything. And last but not least, I ventured out to Home Goods. I only bought one thing that I wasn't necessarily looking for, and I bought one thing that I was looking for, and the other thing that I was looking for they didn't have. I'm gonna have to go to Target, and I'm gonna have to be very disciplined when I go, because we know what Target will do to us. Okay, so you may know that I am working on reorganizing or redoing my closet, and I'm changing out my hangers. I had ordered some on Amazon. I think it's a 50 pack, and I knew I was gonna need more. So since I had a gift card, I got this 35 pack for $15 from Home Goods. Then I found this planner. She is so classic and pretty and just like straight to the point. Not a whole bunch of extraness going on. It just says January 2021 to December 2021, and it has a very similar layout to the planner that I am using now, and it was $10. So I just thought she was classy and pretty, and I believe that's everything. So make sure you check out my Poshmark. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I'm gonna do a special unboxing for my Saint Laurent shoes. I may wait till my other gift comes in. I don't know. That one may not be in until the end of the month. We'll have to see how that works out with the tracking and everything. I need to check on that. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Saw some items you may want to purchase for yourself, or someone you know. Hope you're having a great day. Make sure to subscribe, turn on that post notification, and I will see you in my next Vlogmas video. Bye.